Yo, what is up guys? It's me, Cool Johnny here. I am back with another video. Now, this video is gonna be called Watching the Train, Volume 1. So, if you've been watching my video since the very beginning, or close to that, I did a train video, but it wasn't very good, so we're gonna redo the series. Now, I have two engines on right now. There's a pin sniff, which is not mine, it's private information, whose engine. But the Erie Lackawanna one is mine. Let me zoom in on, yeah. There you go. Erie Lackawanna, and you can see the lettering. Oh, and you're probably wondering how many freight cars I have on the train. I have a 40-car freight train, so it's pretty big. So we're gonna run it in just a sec. Engines that are also mine is this one, the Seaboard Coastline engine, a bus. And then the chassis system is also mine, and then the rest are someone else's. Not gonna mention the person in the person. So yeah, we're just gonna redo the train series because I last did one. I think it was over a year ago now, and it didn't go very well, and most of you guys that watch my videos at the very beginning no longer do, but I know there are still a few of you guys. I saw one in the comments that been watching since the beginning. There's one of you guys, at least, that's still watching, but there's not many. Like most people like Mason K already moved on to Fortnite. That's all they care about. Yeah, just kidding. That's not all they care about, but they just really like Fortnite so much. So yeah, those were real box cars, and the first two freight cars they're out there today. I'm sure if you go out to the train yards, you'll see them. And I'm doing this video because a few of you guys have been requesting it. So, and I always had the idea of rebooting the train series. So yeah. Cotton belt. And here's off the Rock Island cars, other real box ones, Santa Fe, Louisiana, Midland, Wisconsin, Central. Smash that like button. There's the Erie Lackawanna engine. Oh, and the scenery on this layout is, yes, canyons. So, Arizona, California, and like. In Utah as well. So that's the theme. I hope you enjoy it. That one, if you guys are requesting it, so if you don't like it, I'm sorry, but just trying it out, see how it goes. Oh, and I did not mention, Blue Moon question. Which channels do you want to see in the future? Now, I nailed it down to two possibilities for the channel in 2020. And no, it's not going to be called Cool Johnny Pro or Cool Johnny Professional. I originally had it to be that, but no. Here are your options. You can either choose between Evaded Cool Johnny and Herobrine Cool Johnny. Oh, by the way, I'm going to have to do another Minecraft video soon, eventually. We're going to do a little break from that. And hopefully someday we can get a trumpet video in. Someday. Oh, there's a Pennsylvania Railroad car. Sorry if it's blurred out or zoomed in a little bit ago. There is your 40-car freight train. It looks like it takes up, well, it actually takes up 1/3 of the layout. But it looks like it takes up half of the layout. Other than that, cool Johnny out.